You ready to film?
All but you again.
What is all of this clutter?
Don't worry about this stuff. I have the perfect product to get this straightened away.
Here's another one of your ideas.
Yeah, okay. On the grill.
Whoa! What do you got here?
Right here we have the FLEXIMOUNTS GL1 garage lifting storage rack.
And let me tell you, this thing is a beast. Whether you want to lift humans, dirt bikes, lawnmowers, or foam blocks, and safely store them out of sight, out of mind, freeing up that much needed garage space. The GL1 features a 4x4 sturdy deck with a double rope pulley system that can either be turned by hand, or if you really want to get things moving, pull out your power drill. This creative storage device is made of heavy-duty steel and can safely handle loads of 300 pounds while conveniently elevating your items to free up the floor space below.
As you can see, I have my ladders on here that would normally take up a lot of room in my garage. Well, what do you say? Hit it.
For me, this garage lifting storage rack is the perfect tool to store my ladders with. I prefer not to have them outside, and I really don't want them on the wall, but I definitely can't go wrong with having them on the ceiling. It frees up so much more ground space.
And just like that, the ladders are out of sight, out of mind, until I need them again. Just gonna stand there, let's get this thing unloaded.
All right.
Heavy.
Installation is fairly easy as well, with the axis and ropes coming pre-assembled, along with the organized packaging and detailed instructions that label each piece and hardware needed.
Now lastly, we have the actual platform that will lock you into the cage.
The wire grid deck has an integrated folding design that greatly reduces the installation steps. Most importantly, there is a cardboard template to know exactly where to mount the brackets once you mark your joists.
We're on the home stretch now. We got the brackets installed. We have 4 cables dangling, and you ready to hook this platform up?
Yes, sir.
I believe we got everything assembled. I don't see any more parts. Wonder where my friend went though.
Hey, up here, bud.
Oh, but how'd you get up there?
Why don't you help me?
Buddy, let me help you. How'd you get up there? Now that we got the platform installed, what should we lift up there first? Well, there goes the electric bike. I guess that's one way to store my electric bike. That thing is tight up against the ceiling.
How do you think I felt? Why don't you help me?
No matter what you decide to store away safely at the top of the ceiling, the best part about it is there is no need to worry about ladders or struggle with heavy lifting objects on the high shelves. With the GL1 garage lifting storage rack, the shelf comes to you. Once the deck is at the desired height, just flip the safety lock and the storage deck is safely secured until you are ready to use it again.
And in my case, I have about 1,000 of these foam blocks laying around here, so this one wouldn't be a bad idea. Crank it up.
You want it smushed?
Yeah, fly to the ceiling.
Hell yeah!
I want to give a huge shout out to FLEXIMOUNTS for hooking us up with the GL1 garage lifting storage rack and these beautiful 72-inch 5-tier garage shelves and taking care of all my storage needs at my new house.